Guys, if you are bored with your long name on Facebook and want to change it to single name like this, then you are at the right place, because in this video I'm gonna walk you through the complete process that will help you to do this. So guys, this is Asim Arif, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, let's go ahead and open your Facebook account. It doesn't matter either your Facebook account is logged in the official app or the Lite app. The process is almost the same, only there is a slight change in the official app that I will discuss during the process, so stay connected with the video. In my case, I'm going to my Facebook Lite app. Then you need to tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll all the way down and navigate to settings. Then tap on personal and account information. Then in the name section, tab on edit. And then as I want to remove my last name, so I will remove the last name here. And then if I tab on review change, let's see what happens. Oops, I got an error. You must provide the last name. Now let me show you how to remove it. Firstly, remove the Facebook app from the background. And then guys, you need to go to the description of this video. There I have provided a link of this app named Urban VPN. It's totally free. You can easily download it from the link given in the description. After that, simply install this in your device, and then it will ask for some permissions. So let me grant the permissions very quick. So guys, this is the interface of this application. After that, you need to tab on locations at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down and try to find the server named Indonesia. So here it is. I will tap on it, and then guys, it will start connecting to the server automatically. And guys, it will literally take just a few seconds, so you need to keep patience. And I want you to know one thing here: even after connecting to the server, you still need to wait for some time here until the ping status is displayed in the ping section. This is a very mandatory step, because if the ping status is not displayed there, it means the VPN is not going to work properly. So you have to be very patient there. You have to keep patience. You have to wait for several minutes there. And let's say even after waiting for some time, the ping status is still not displayed there, as in my case it was not displaying. Then in that situation, what you have to do, you have to disconnect the VPN by tapping on this icon and then reconnect it again. And then guys, again you need to wait for some time, obviously. So I'm going to fast forward the video here because I don't want to waste your time. And guys, literally after waiting for maximum 5 to 10 seconds, the ping status was successfully displayed there. And now you need to go back to your Facebook account. Again, go to settings. It is really simple now. Personal and account information. Then edit your name. And now let's try to remove the last name here. And guys, if you're doing this process in the Facebook Lite app, then you have to keep the last name completely blank. But as I said before, if you're doing this in the official app, then there will be a slight change. But here in the official app, in the last name section, you will put a single space there. And then you will tab on review change, because in the official app, Facebook doesn't allow us to keep the last name completely blank. Now I'm going to show you in the official app as well. Here are the settings. Then you need to tab on account center. Then tab on profiles. Choose your profile. Tab on name. Then here, let's see what happens if I remove the last name there. Here you can clearly see, if I'm removing the last name there, I'm not be able to update the name. So what you have to do, you have to put a single space there, and then you will be able to update your name there. Okay, so this was a slight change that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so now let's go back to our Facebook Lite app. After keeping the last name completely blank, I tapped on review change, but still I'm getting the error. So what you have to do, you have to go back to your VPN app again, turn it off and turn it on again. Obviously this is a free application, so this can create some problems there. So but if you're using the paid version, obviously this will not create any problem, but this is a free variant, so this will create some problem. Anyways, now I'm again trying to remove the last name there, and then I will tab on review change. And boom guys, our single name is successfully updated. Now simply enter your password and tab on save changes, and that's it. Now let me go back to my Facebook profile, and you can clearly see our single name is also displayed in the Facebook profile there. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Till that, goodbye.